Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to transfer files with AnyDesk. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.anydesk.com and go and download the official application from the official website. Now when you did that, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the news, favorites, we have the recents, we have the discover, invitations, everything is here. We have your address, of course, your invite, so you can go and invite people. We have everything here about more, so you can go click invite. You can get this a free license, not professional use, so you can start your trial license or buy the official license. And your address is here, which is the most important. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and transfer files with AnyDesk. So during a remote desktop session, go to session menu, then go to, when you're there, you go to actions, transfer a file to the remote device, then select a file to transfer. So you have to, of course, have a file that you want to transfer. Then click on the remote desktop, open the file explorer and navigate to the desired transfer location. After you've done that, right click the transfer location area and select paste. Alternatively, you can also copy files from the remote screen and paste them directly on your local PC using a clipboard feature. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that's everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.